Kaizer Chiefs are playing against Zesco today. Hello, good people. Welcome to True News Sport. Please like, share, comment, subscribe so that the channel can grow. Follow us on TikTok. Bafethu, seeing isquad esihambe ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, I am very happy. I don't have any complaint at all. I don't have any complaint at all, bafethu, because the squad is great. Seeing Umabaso going there, it shows that the coaches, at least they are making good choices these days. There are chances that we can win this match if they keep on making good choices. I hope on the starting lineup they will put the players that we need the most, not the players that they are favoring. Because on winning the matches, you don't have to bring favoring players. Favorite players. You don't have to bring favorite players, but you need to bring hardworking players. That's why I started this lineup. I hope the lineup can be like this. As they played Makat as left back. He's good at occupying this space. Working with Solomons on the right side. At least when Solomon is pushing forward like this, and then Batman, if they played him as a right winger, he can go there. At least occupy this space by seeing Batman occupying this space, and then Solomon can come closer, and then the Silver, our sniper, can go at least on the box, ahlale lapha eboxini, and then Umfundo Vilakazi, for me, playing as number 10, it will be great, and then Umabasa be number 8. And then bese uVelebha yena pushe forward, angene kulesa space, uMakhata abuye azokhava lana i-defense. That will be a great starting lineup. Because I saw the boys are creative, so that when they are dropping, they can be dropping like this. Babuyele muva, Miguel abuyele in his space. Even though sometimes playing Miguel as in starting lineup, sometimes I'm not happy with it because of seeing him doing a lot of mistakes. I'm a yellow card, sometimes making